Welcome to Foxfx. Forex or foreign exchange. It might be difficult for a beginner trader to understand what is Forex or foreign exchange. Today in this video we will be going to tell what is Forex. It can be explained as a network of buyers and sellers where people buy or sell one currency for another. It is a global marketplace for exchanging national currencies. The foreign exchange market is the world's largest and most liquid asset market. Let us understand with the help of an example. Imagine you are traveling abroad and you go to a currency exchange and exchange $500 to buy 490 euros. After a week, you come back to currency exchange without spending a single euro and exchange your 490 euros back for dollars. But when you counted, you received $505 because during the week, the exchange rate changed and the euro price increased in comparison to a dollar. By this change in the rate of the currency, you got a profit of $5 which you made by trading currencies. So that is how the Forex market works. Millions of people make money through trading in the market. Currencies trade against each other as exchange rate pairs. For example, euro to US dollar is a currency pair for trading the euro against the US dollar. To start trading in the Forex market, you need a trading account. To know how to open a trading account, you can watch this video. Thank you for watching. For more informative videos, subscribe to our channel and please like, share and comment your views in the comment section. For more information visit www.foxfx.com.